Hey! In front of me is CUBOT P50 and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this smartphone. First of all, just access tab menu and look for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. If you can find it over here, you need to click on this pen icon at the bottom left corner. Locate it here and drag it to the tab. Mine is over here, so I don't need to do that. I can click on location right away, and as you can see, now it's blue. That means that location of this smartphone is on. In order to turn it off, click on the same shortcut. If you want to, you can go into settings as well, tap on location section here, and manage it by tapping on this switcher next to use location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!